Have you ever felt like time slipped through your fingers, leaving behind a sense of lost opportunities and wasted years? What if I told you that the universe holds the key to restoring those precious moments, transforming them into stepping stones of growth and renewal? Welcome to our journey, a journey where the threads of fate intertwine, weaving a tapestry of redemption and restoration. Today, we delve into the depths of faith, spirituality, and personal growth, uncovering the hidden gems of wisdom that promise healing and wholeness in the face of life's challenges. Join us as we unlock the secrets of forgiveness, delve into the transformative power of resilience, and embrace the profound connection between inner peace and divine purpose. Together, let's embark on a voyage of self-discovery and enlightenment, where every moment holds the promise of redemption and every step brings us closer to the restoration of our truest selves. At the heart of this journey lies the profound experience of healing and wholeness, a testament to the universe's unwavering commitment to restore what was once broken. Emotional wounds, often unseen but deeply felt, have the remarkable ability to impair not only our mental and emotional well-being, but also our physical vitality. Through the lens of forgiveness, we unveil the transformative power of releasing resentment and embracing inner peace. Renowned theologian and Nobel Peace Prize laureate Dr. Desmond Tutu offers poignant insights into this sign in his seminal work, The Book of Forgiving. With grace and wisdom, Tutu delves into the intricate interplay between forgiveness, emotional healing, and wholeness. Drawing upon personal narratives and psychological research, he illuminates how the act of forgiveness can lead to profound inner transformation, liberating individuals from the chains of bitterness and resentment. Tutu's exploration resonates deeply with the findings of modern psychology, where researchers have uncovered the profound physiological and psychological benefits of forgiveness. Studies have shown that harboring grudges and holding on to resentment can contribute to increased stress levels, weakened immune function, and even chronic health conditions. Conversely, embracing forgiveness can lower stress, improve mood, and enhance overall well-being. But forgiveness is not merely a passive act of letting go, it is a dynamic process that requires courage, compassion, and self-awareness. By acknowledging the pain of the past and choosing to release it, individuals open themselves up to the possibility of healing and wholeness. Through forgiveness, wounds are transformed into sources of strength, and brokenness gives way to resilience. As we navigate the complexities of forgiveness, we encounter moments of vulnerability and grace, where the seeds of healing are planted and nurtured. It is in these moments of surrender that we find the courage to extend forgiveness to ourselves and others, paving the way for profound inner transformation and spiritual renewal. In the grand tapestry of existence, there are moments when the universe bestows upon us unexpected gifts, signaling its boundless generosity and infinite capacity for renewal. The experience of abundance is a profound manifestation of this benevolence, where the ordinary transforms into the extraordinary and the mundane becomes infused with magic and wonder. Renowned spiritual teacher Eckhart Tolle, in his enlightening book A New Earth, delves into the essence of abundance and its connection to the awakening of consciousness. He invites readers to transcend the scarcity mindset and embrace the abundance that permeates every aspect of existence. Through presence and gratitude, Tolle suggests, we can align ourselves with the flow of universal abundance, allowing blessings to flow effortlessly into our lives. Tolle's teachings find resonance in the emerging field of positive psychology, where researchers explore the psychological mechanisms underlying the experience of abundance and prosperity. Studies have shown that cultivating an abundance mindset, characterized by optimism, gratitude, and generosity, can lead to greater resilience, happiness, and overall well-being. But abundance is not merely about material wealth. It encompasses a richness of experiences, relationships, and opportunities that enrich the tapestry of our lives. From moments of serendipity to acts of kindness, the universe continuously offers gifts that remind us of our interconnectedness and inherent worthiness. As we open ourselves to the experience of abundance, we cultivate a sense of trust in the universe's abundant nature, knowing that there is always enough to go around. By releasing scarcity thinking and embracing a mindset of abundance, we invite prosperity to flow freely into our lives, nourishing our souls and fulfilling our deepest desires. There are moments when the universe whispers to our souls, urging us to extend a hand of kindness and compassion to those in need. This overpowering desire to serve others, rooted in empathy and love, transcends the boundaries of self-interest, igniting a flame of purpose within our hearts. Drawing upon the wisdom of ancient texts, renowned spiritual leader Thich Nhat Hanh explores the profound connection between compassion and service in his timeless work, The Art of Living. Through the practice of mindfulness and loving kindness, Hanh invites readers to cultivate a heart of compassion, embracing all beings with warmth and understanding. Han's teachings find resonance in the field of positive psychology, where researchers investigate the transformative power of compassion on mental and emotional well-being. Studies have shown that acts of kindness and service not only benefit recipients, but also enhance the giver's sense of purpose, happiness, and overall life satisfaction. But compassion is more than just a fleeting emotion. It is a guiding principle that shapes our interactions with the world and defines our sense of humanity. From small gestures of kindness to grand acts of selflessness, each act of compassion sends ripples of healing and hope into the world, creating a ripple effect of positive change. As we heed the call to compassion and service, we embark on a journey of self-discovery and transformation, discovering the profound joy that comes from lifting others up and making a difference in their lives. In serving others, we find fulfillment and purpose, and in extending compassion, we become beacons of light in a world hungry for love and understanding. In the tapestry of human experience, there are moments when the universe bestows upon us the gift of resilience, a profound inner fortitude that enables us to navigate life's challenges with grace and courage. This surge in inner strength is not merely a response to external circumstances, but a deep-seated realization of our own inherent power and resilience. Drawing upon the insights of resilience psychology, pioneering researcher Dr. Brené Brown explores the transformative journey of rising strong in her groundbreaking book, Rising Strong. Through a blend of personal anecdotes and research findings, Brown illuminates the process of resilience, highlighting the importance of vulnerability, courage, and self-compassion in navigating life's setbacks. Brown's work is complemented by the teachings of Viktor Frankl, renowned psychiatrist and Holocaust survivor, whose seminal work, Man's Search for Meaning, offers profound insights into the human capacity for resilience in the face of unimaginable suffering. Through his own harrowing experiences, Frankl illustrates how finding meaning and purpose can serve as a source of inner strength and resilience, enabling individuals to endure even the darkest of times. But resilience is not merely a passive trait. It is a dynamic process that requires cultivation and practice. From mindfulness meditation to cognitive behavioral techniques, there are a myriad of tools and strategies available to help individuals build resilience and strengthen their inner fortitude. By fostering a growth mindset and cultivating self-awareness, individuals can develop the resilience needed to thrive in the face of adversity. As we embrace the journey of inner strength and resilience, we discover the profound truth that adversity is not an obstacle, but an opportunity for growth and transformation. Through resilience, we learn to harness the power of our experiences, turning pain into wisdom and setbacks into stepping stones toward a brighter future. In the grand tapestry of existence, there are moments when the universe beckons us to awaken to our true purpose, to align our will with the divine orchestration of life. This profound realignment is not merely a coincidence, but a sacred synchronicity, guiding us toward the fulfillment of our highest calling and deepest desires. By letting go of the past and surrendering to the flow of life, individuals can tap into the timeless wisdom of the universe and discover their unique role in the cosmic symphony. But realignment with divine purpose is not a passive endeavor. It requires an active engagement with the unfolding of life and a willingness to listen to the whispers of the soul. Through practices such as meditation, journaling, and introspection, individuals can cultivate a deeper connection to their inner guidance and uncover the sacred path that leads to their true calling. As we embark on the journey of realignment with divine purpose, we open ourselves to the infinite possibilities that await us. By embracing the challenges and setbacks of life as opportunities for growth and transformation, we reclaim our power and step into the fullness of our being, knowing that we are co-creators of our destiny and vessels of divine grace. In the ever-changing landscape of human existence, there are moments when the universe bestows upon us the precious gift of inner peace, a sanctuary of calm amidst the chaos of daily life. This serenity is not merely a fleeting emotion, but a profound state of being, rooted in the depths of the soul and untouched by external circumstances. Drawing upon the wisdom of spiritual teachings, Eckhart Tolle explores the transformative power of inner peace in his seminal work, The Power of Now. Through the practice of present moment awareness and mindfulness, Tolle guides readers on a journey of spiritual awakening, inviting them to transcend the incessant chatter of the mind and discover the peace that lies beyond. Tolle's teachings find resonance in the field of contemplative neuroscience, where researchers investigated the neural correlates of inner peace and its impact on mental and emotional well-being. Studies have shown that practices such as meditation and mindfulness can lead to changes in brain structure and function, promoting a sense of calm and equanimity even in the face of adversity. But inner peace is not merely a passive state, it is a dynamic process that requires cultivation and practice. By nurturing a daily practice of stillness and introspection, individuals can learn to navigate the challenges of life with grace and resilience, finding solace in the depths of their own being. As we embrace the journey of inner peace amidst chaos, we discover the profound truth that true peace is not found in the absence of turmoil, but in the acceptance of what is. By surrendering to the flow of life and trusting in the wisdom of the universe, we find refuge in the sanctuary of our own hearts, knowing that peace is always available to us, no matter the circumstances. In the labyrinth of human experience, there are moments when the veil between the seen and the unseen grows thin, and we find ourselves drawn into the embrace of the divine. This deepened spiritual connection is not merely a coincidence, but a sacred synchronicity, guiding us toward a deeper understanding of ourselves and the universe. Drawing upon the wisdom of spiritual teachings, Eckhart Tolle explores the transformative power of spiritual connection in his seminal work, A New Earth. Through the practice of presence and surrender, Tolle invites readers to transcend the limitations of ego and awaken to the eternal truth of their own being, fostering a sense of unity and interconnectedness with all of creation. Tolle's teachings find resonance in the field of transpersonal psychology, where researchers investigate the transformative effects of spiritual experiences on mental, emotional, and spiritual well-being. Studies have shown that individuals who report a deepened spiritual connection often experience greater levels of happiness, resilience, and inner peace. But spiritual connection is not confined to the realm of religious affiliation. It transcends boundaries of culture, tradition, and belief. Whether through prayer, meditation, or communion with nature, individuals can cultivate a deeper connection with the divine and tap into the infinite wellspring of wisdom and love that lies within. As we embrace the journey of deepened spiritual connection, we open ourselves to the profound truth that we are not separate from the universe, but integral parts of its sacred tapestry. By surrendering to the divine flow of life and embracing the interconnectedness of all beings, we find solace in the knowing that we are held in the loving embrace of the cosmos. The signs of restoration remind us of the resilience of the human spirit and the boundless potential within each of us. As you reflect on the journey we've shared, remember that no matter what challenges you face, you possess the power to heal, grow, and thrive. Share this video with those who may need a reminder of their own inner strength. And together, let's spread the message of hope, renewal, and restoration to all corners of the world. Together, we can inspire others to embrace their journey with courage and compassion, knowing that the path to restoration is always within reach.